Hello, my name is Mary Solomon. I am the curator and owner of the Lace Museum Detroit. Here today, I am going to answer another question. How do you store beautiful, exquisite antique linens and lace? So I want to introduce the concept of rolling, which many of you may know of, perhaps you do not. This is non-acidic, unbuffered, archival paper that we buy a ton of at the Lace Museum. I buy it by the roll. I wrap everything before I actually roll any of these fabrics. This is a large piece, well, I should say a medium piece. This is a larger piece that I've rolled with the unbuffered archival tissues. All of these here, and these move in and out as time permits, or perhaps something gets sold, or it goes into deaccession. We roll pieces because it doesn't create fold lines. So on a smaller scale, we have this piece right here. This is a large one that just hangs from the ceilings. This is a medium size. I'm going to show you that this is a beautiful piece of Italian reticella linen. And it has beautifully detailed lace around the perimeters. It has exquisite inserts, and it's predominantly linen. So this piece, I am going to, after it's cleaned and any sort of restoration, I'm going to roll this piece so there's absolutely no wrinkle on this. And in this fashion, I'm going to avoid acid burns. I'm going to avoid folding lines, which is called fleshing. Fleshing is when you fold things, you put them away, you care about them so much to a detriment. So that's a medium size. And this is linen with reticella. Again, the very beginning are these long rolls. So a medium size is something that I would identify as a medium size. This is Carrack-McCross handmade Irish lace. This piece is probably meant as a flounce at some point. But again, I'm using the fabulous unbuffered archival tissue paper that is museum quality. This also is going to be rolled. I don't like that it's hanging off the edge here, but I'm going to deal with it. This is handmade Carrack-McCross, and this piece, from beginning to end, I am going to roll this fabulous piece of history right along the lines. I don't have to worry that it's going to be destroyed by fold lines. A smaller piece would be something like this Venetian needle lace, probably more, I'm going to say, 1900s, the end of the 20th century. Fabulous, fabulous piece. Would have been presented as a reception for a dinner party. This is a smaller roll, but still, I'm using unbuffered archival material, and this piece now will be put or stored somewhere, so we have larger pieces. If you cannot do that, it's understandable. This is something that maybe you could put on shelving in a environmentally protected area, which does not have water, precipitation, or anything, any elements of sunlight. This is a medium size, and then this is a very, very small size. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know. thelacemuseumllc.com, and I'd love to thank my videographer, Callie Mae McDonald, and my colleague, Lisa.